So I'm making this video in honor of 200 subscribers, and I just want to thank you all for that. And this question has been asked so much. How do you record your videos? Almost as much as, are you a boy or girl? So I planned on making this video for you, and hopefully it'll be helpful. Sorry if I went a little bit too fast. I'm used to doing this really quickly, and it's just really easy for me to do. So feel free to leave comments down below. I'll answer them, or even direct message me on Instagram, and I'll answer you there. First thing you want to do is download the Twitch app onto your Xbox One or PS4. That is what I use to record. Then you're going to want to download the Google Chrome app onto your phone. Don't download the Twitch app on your phone. So it's going to look something like this. Then you're going to want to download an app called Documents 5. This is going to help you download the video once you have recorded it, and it'll look like this. Once the app has finally downloaded, you're going to open up Google and you're going to search up Twitch. So you're going to click on Twitch. It should be the first link. And here you'll see this screen. You don't want that. So you're going to want to switch to desktop mode. That way you'll be able to download your videos. But before you do any of that, you're going to want to log in or make an account. I am already logged in, so I'm going to click on Video Manager. After that, you'll see I'll be redirected to my past broadcasts. I don't have any right now. But before you have your past broadcastings there, you're going to want to go to settings and make sure that you click past broadcastings are on. The first thing that you want to do is get onto your Xbox or PS4. Then you're going to want to open up the Twitch app. After that, you're going to want to scroll down and click on broadcast. Then here you can see you can change the title of the broadcast. I normally call it whatever game I'm playing. And then you're going to want to go and click on settings. And then here you can view the camera of what it's going to be recording. Then you want to make sure that your microphone is enabled and that your mic monitoring is set all the way up. Then you want to make sure that the quality is set to how you want it. I normally set it to high, even though my recommended is medium. This is because it recommends what quality it should be, because the higher quality, the more it'll lag. But you should test it out first. Record for like 30 minutes. See how it is. Keep testing it. The more you test it, the less it'll lag. So just be aware of that. For your first time, I wouldn't set it to high. I would try medium or whatever your recommended is. Then I would also make sure that you have your broadcast party chat. And then you can go and start broadcasting. Now, if you're broadcasting with a friend, you gotta make sure that they go into the party chat and that they click a little box that says include like my audio. Because if they don't include their audio, then it won't pick up what they're saying. Like their audio just won't be included if they don't click on that little box. So here you can see what time, like how much time it has been when you recorded and who's viewing and if your microphone is on or off. So you're going to want to go to your past broadcastings and you're going to want to click the three little dots and then click on export. This will export it to YouTube. It'll probably ask you to link your channel. Just do that. But you're going to want to make sure that the privacy is set to unlisted. That way nobody sees the video except for you. So when I'm using Twitch, I make sure to not go over 30 minutes of recording because chances are my phone won't be able to download a video of that size. But just in case, Twitch has an option before you upload your video to YouTube from Twitch, there will be an option that says you can cut the video into 15 minute segments each, so that way the size won't be as big. So once your video is uploaded to YouTube, you're going to click those three dots and you're going to change it so that it's back to unlisted because for some reason it switches to private. So make sure that it's unlisted because that way you can get the URL for that video because you need the URL to be able to download it. So you're going to open up Documents, which is what I showed you earlier. This is the app that you're going to use to download the video. So on the bottom right of the screen, you'll see this like blue circle thing. You're going to want to click on that. It's sort of like this Internet Explorer. So now here you see that it already says save from .net. That's where you're going to want to go to, but I'm just going to clear it out and show you anyway. So you're going to want to click, just look up save from net. and it should be the first link. You'll see like a phone number maybe, but don't click on that. You're not going to call anybody. That's kind of weird. So you're going to want to enter the URL right there. You're just going to click, and it should say like paste, and you're going to paste that there. And then you're going to click enter, and then you're going to see your video. You're going to download like 720 because you want, the highest quality. This is where you can change your name of the video, but I don't do that. So you're going to go to the documents folder, and there's where your video will be downloading. Once your video has downloaded, you're going to want to click edit. You're going to want to click on the video, and you're going to want to click move, and then you're going to click on your camera roll. You're going to click like confirm or okay, and then it'll be in your camera roll. I'll show you just to make sure. So open up my photo gallery. Don't mind that, okay? And then you're going to see that there's the video there that I just downloaded. Someone who has been a really, really big help was You're So Cutie Pie on Instagram. He showed me that Twitch was able to record both my gameplay and audio, which is something that I desperately needed. And he just voluntarily helped me. I didn't even ask him to. He just did it because he's just a really nice person.